Hello everyone, it's just a dad. Today I'm going to do an unboxing on this SmallRig universal mounting clamp for external SSD drive. So here's everything that comes in the box. We get this little clamp for the side, 3 of these little screws. We get an Allen wrench that's going to fit those screws. Here's the actual clamp. Now the clamp is spring loaded. That's how you're going to put the SSD card in there, or you can put something else in there. I'm going to put a USB-C hub. We have a cold shoe that we can put onto a cold shoe. Now we can take this cold shoe off. So if you wanted to screw this to an external device, you could also screw it to an external device. This is for the side. This side here has a lot of different positions you can put this clamp in. So screw the clamp down. For the cable, you can see in the picture, there's where like the cable, you never know where the cable is going to really come out on those, depending on the different SSD drives. And then I can clamp that cable. So let's go over some measurements with it all closed up, about an inch and a half overall, 2 1/8, about 2 3/4 that way. But let's try to open it up. You can fit almost 2 1/2 inches in there. And again, the cold shoe, oh, that's a different screw. So the screw for the cold shoe is a little bit different. But you can put the cold shoe in a couple different places. You know, you could put the cold shoe right here even if you wanted to. I hope this unboxing video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.